Episode 5 Emotional Intelligence, that is, you lead with your heart. Welcome back to Mastering the Future. In episode 5, I'm going to help you explore a powerful skill that shapes every interaction that you have. That is emotional intelligence. And in short, we say EI. Do you agree that emotions matter big time? Emotional intelligence is about understanding your own feelings and recognizing the emotions of others. This awareness is a guide to your actions and decisions. It is a secret that connection at a deeper level, forging meaningful emotions and effective communication with the heart. So whether it is a personal relationship or a professional setting, emotional intelligence is what matters, because that's the difference between being a good leader and a great one. A successful team is an extraordinary one. It is about empathy, self-awareness, and the ability to navigate in that emotional landscape with grace and understanding. Now, let me give you some key insights of emotional intelligence, where emotional intelligence is made up of several key components. Firstly, we have self-awareness. You want to recognize your emotions and how they affect your thought and behavior. Second, we have self-regulations, where managing your emotions in healthy ways, tackling and controlling those impulsive feelings. Third is empathy, understanding emotions of others and responding with compassion. Fourth, social skills, building strong relationships, communicating clearly, and managing conflicts effectively. And next, we have motivation, being driven to achieve for the sake of personal satisfaction rather than external rewards. So now the next question is that why is emotional intelligence so important in today's world? Emotional intelligence, my friends, isn't just nice to have. It is essential for success in every area of life, because it helps you build stronger relationships, manage stress better, and lead to more effective management of people. People with high emotional intelligence are often more resilient, adaptable, and successful in their personal as well as professional life. So let me give you an example where we can highlight emotional intelligence. I want you to picture a manager facing a crisis with a project. Instead of panicking, he remains calm, acknowledges the team's stress, and guides them with clear and an empathetic approach. Their emotional intelligence helps de-escalate the tension and steering the team towards a solution where you boost morale and performance. Another example to ponder over is a personal conflict between friends. Instead of letting emotions run wild, one friend takes a step back, recognizes the feelings, and approaches the conversation with empathy and understanding. What happens? It leads to the resolution and strengthens that bond. So my next question to you is, do you want to enhance emotional intelligence? Here are some key steps that is going to help you lead with your heart. Firstly, you want to practice self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your emotions and how they impact your behavior. Journaling or mindfulness can be a great tool for this. Second, regulate your emotions. When you feel overwhelmed, which we all do, I want you to pause, breathe, and think before you react, because this helps manage that stress and maintain that composure. Third, I want you to develop empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoe. Try to understand their perspective and feeling without judgment. Fourth, you want to improve on your social skills. Focus on active listening and clear communication, because that is going to help you build positive relationships. Number 5 is to stay motivated. Set personal goals that inspire you and find intrinsic reason to help you achieve them beyond those external factors. Emotional intelligence, my friends, is that key. It is the key to unlocking your deeper connection, handling challenges with grace, and leading with empathy and compassion. So by mastering emotional intelligence, you're not just enhancing your life, you're enhancing the lives of others around you as well. That was all in this episode. I can't wait to share more essential tips with you in the next episode. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, let us all build a compassionate community together.